high precision quality. The company has passed 22 patents and is a country-level high-tech enterprise, specialized new enterprise, science and technology innovative enterprise, cross-border e-commerce industry demonstration enterprise, and a master's internship base of Yanqian University. Geit-MU has advanced production and inspection equipment based on international standards, controls first-class quality, strictly checks the performance tests of products, and meets a number of international certification standards. The company's CNC Center, with advanced remote control technology and electronic core equipment, has realized the advanced level of remote monitoring and maintenance of equipment all over the world, and is in a leading position in the development of high-tech in the industry. Geit-MU development and production of Geit-MU Quantum functional tile with Yanqian University, Seoul University of South Korea and other universities, as well as a number of international scientific research institutions cooperation. Through 22 types of patents, functional effects obtained the authority of the affirmation certification, joined with a number of international scientific research institutions, domestic top expert team, training technical backbone, combined with international trends and market demand, research and development multifunctional high-speed, composite up to 8 layers of material composition. Compared with ordinary metal roof tiles, it has the advantages of sound and noise anti-voltage and rain acid, alkaline and corrosion resist, etc. 30 do not fade, solve problem of wall, sheet form and corrosion aging. Aging resistance and outline risks is high. The designed overlaying edge is to protect the safety of the operator. Build brand by. This is an air quality gas, also air quality. Geit-MU cold room machinery quality as the enterprise. Company has been deeply engaged in equipment manufacturing many years, understands the customer needs, and needs personalized and differentiated needs of customers. Geit-MU enjoy high brand reputation owned and abroad. Computed widgets and production of forming equipment. Cultivated a perfect sales network. Form a unique pork culture. And become one of the local modding equipment manufacturers. Due to its reliable mechanical structure and excellent after service. Geit-MU occupied the international market in a very short time, and actively referred to the international advanced technology. And long-term cooperation with a number of own international scientific research. Combination of strong and powerful forces. Geit-MU have become a big GEIT-MU, large member of the pro, and Israel's top member stores, ranking top 5 for a lot. Equipment has mixed to more than 160 countries and regions around the world, has passed on in an occasion and has established long-term stable cooperative relations with customers in various countries. Lead the future. Innovation is the eternal theme of enterprise development, and the main line of thinking that always runs through decision and level of Geit-MU. Geit-MU implements innovative breakthroughs to adapt to rapid change and economic environment, systematic thinking, regional precise division of the market, and the idea of product strategic equality posed by general managers and leader of the company. Leadership of Geit-MU moves steadily forward in the tidiest competition and continues international development from a national market. Established base for raw material procurement, processing and product sales, and to go to the world. Wind is the sea wide thousands of sail competition to climb under the momentum of the great arc. Regardless of obstacles, the road is put and long. The line will be too. If we don't stop, the future's promise.
Provincial cross-border e-commerce distribution emphasis. 2. Cooperation Siemens on SCAF Yukonar. 3. Technological innovation 0 patented technology. 4. For count O/A. 5. Agent support cultivate, develop and support agents, and improve local service capabilities. 6. Intelligent technical service, intelligent warning, abnormal reminder, maintenance reminder, intelligent monitoring, prevent abnormal production, intelligent after sales, realize remote operation and maintenance.
This is Kylie from Changzhou Zhongtuo roll forming machine, and today I will introduce the light guard steel keel roll forming machine. It's for our Saudi Arabia client. This time ordered 5 such different machines. Okay, later I will show you one by one part. Okay, let me go to the decoiler. For this decoiler is a economic tap, but you can see this one is a manual tap, not like the before, it's a hydraulic one. this one is also very helpful for this machine. You can see it with 4 leaves and can make the coils like a circle. It won't change the shape of the coils. Also, we add the side arms to keep the coils won't change the different direction here. Also, you can see we can adjust the diameter for these inner diameters. And the difference with the hydraulic decoilers, maybe this one cannot so automatic, but it's also very helpful for the client, suitable for this machine. Also, this one machine also with a brake. This one is a manual brake, can make the machine to stop feeding the coils. Okay, and this one is the manual decoiler. Later, I will show you the feeding part. And here you can see this is our feeding part. Not only for this machine, it's a very such small machine, but this machine with all the complete functions with other big machines. You can see for the feeding part, we have the feeding these 2 rollers and these 2 rollers and leveling to feeding this material. Here also can adjust the different widths. These wheels can adjust the different widths for the steel, for the coils. And you can see for this machine, this one is a gearbox transmission. Gearbox transmission can make the machine working very fast than some chain transmission. For this machine can reach the speed 50 meters per minute. So this one is very good for and very helpful for this machine for high speed. And you can see for this machine we adopt 9 row numbers to give a very good roll form machine for the finished products. And you can see for the rollers, it's very smooth, and the shaft with this one can adjust the different widths. Later, for this machine, the client only the one width, but later maybe the client want to change a different size. Also can adjust here. Here the screws can adjust and change the different size. 好了，这一块好了。And you can see for this part, you will see it in many machines. This one is called a turkey head. What is the function of the turkey head? Because if we don't use the turkey head, the finished products will fit in here, will change the different shape. So we set here, and with rollers here, it won't change the size of these finished products. So this one is the turkey head. And for this part, this one is a stamp logo station. And in this industry, many clients will want to have here the own logo on the finished products. This client see, and you can see here, this is the client logo. Use this punching station to do it. It's very good. And this one is the cutting system. When working, this punching station and this cutting station will work in same time, and so can make a very higher precision to give the finished products. And the client ask one finished product will need 3 logos, and we will have all this here. You can see 1, 2, 3. As the finished products is as this. And you can see machine also with a very big power hydraulic pump station. This one. And the machine is small, but power is very big. Also, this time the Saudi Arabia client ordered totally 5 size machines, and with 2 wall angle machines, 2 size wall angle machines. And this one you can see, this one is a U channel. And for that machine, it's Omega. We call it Omega Q machines. And the other one machine is a W channel, WQ machines. And use the different places, but it's same function for the light guard steel Q machine. So for the Saudi Arabia client, if you have this inquiry, you can send it to us. And welcome to send inquiry to Zhongtuo roll forming machinery. If you have any questions, you can leave the message. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is Kelly again from Changzhou Zhongtuo roll forming machinery. Today I will introduce you all about our punching production line. This is a fully automatic production line. And later I will introduce each part one by one. And you can see for this machine, this is the 10 tons hydraulic decoiler with the upper bender. Can load the coils very easily. For this decoiler, it really have too many points and advantages I want to introduce for you. And first, about this hydraulic decoiler, you can see it with the oiling. For the press arm, can make sure it more smooth and you use for longer time. And the second one, you can see all the electric lines is in the cable trace here. All the lines in the cable trace can make sure it is very safety when you use the machine and very good for the longer time to use it in the cover table. And all the lines is by the cover to protect, to make sure the machine is very beautiful and very safety. It is very user-friendly design for the machine. And here you can see for our the loading part, it is a V shape. In this case, the coils won't scratch the surface of the coils and the materials. And you can see here, it's a V shape. Also for the bender, when you load the coils on this platform, and it will bend to there and then up and feed the coils there. And later I will show you how it works. And here you can see, this is the whole advantages of the hydraulic decoiler. Later I will introduce another part. About the second advantage, the points about the decoiler is you can see there is the limit switch and all the lines is inside of the plastic tubes to make sure it's much safety to use it. Also, this machine you can control it in the machine, and also you can control it on the remote control. So within 10 meters or 50 meters you can use it, no need back machine to control it. Also here the sensor can make sure when the coils is under the ground, it will stop working, and the decoiler will working again to make sure the speed will match the whole of the machine. About the second part of this punching production line is the leveling part. After the decoiler is the leveling, and you can see for this leveling we have many details. Here is the up 3 and the down 4 rollers, make sure the leveling, and these two and these two is make sure the feeding not much easily. Also here with 2 rollers, you can adjust the different thickness for the distance of the up roller and the down rollers. Adjust the different thickness. Distance here, you can check how many distance here. It is very user friendly and very easily for you to operate it. And about these 2 rollers, it's much easily feeding the coils, and you can use this handle to control it. When you push it, and when you pull it, it will up. In this case, can make sure the feeding much easily. Also, there are 2 vertical rollers, and another side also have the other 2. In this case, the coils won't change the different directions. And next part is about the punching machine. This is the main machine of the production line. About this punching machine, this is a 200 tons punching machine, and many what is this part? And inside of this bottle, we can put some chemistry, can make sure here you can put the liquid, make sure it won't scratch the surface of the material. Also, the second function is to make sure it won't hurt the punching mold and the punching needles, because you know when the punching machine always working, the coils will become hot. It can make it cooling. and won't scratch the surface of the material, also won't hurt the material. That is the liquid function. And you know, many clients use punching machine. It will have many different orders and different holes. So if you use the different holes, you can change the different modes. In this way, you can see there are 4 different switchers. You can change the modes very, very fast. No need someone to lose the screws and again the screws. You only need to control it by the PLC control system. Also can control it on the punching machine. It will change the mode very fast. In this case, from here. And another user-friendly design is we give a very big box to collect the waste liquid so that it won't hurt your ground in your factory. And as I just mentioned before, you can control this punching machine here. Also, you can control the machine on the PLC control system. And you can see our counter is here. In this way, can make sure the length is much accurate, not before the punch. And all after there, in this case, it's much accurate. And you can see all our lines, electric lines, is connected by the aviation plug. It is much easy to plug it. As you can see, we have another very user-friendly design. And here, with the waste collection device, when you do the punching holes, it will get the many different waste materials. So it will come in here. This is like a conveyor belt. It will running like this, and the materials will come into this box. So you can move it very easily. And after the punching machine, you can see there are 2 sides. Infrared sensors can make sure the match the speed again. The sensor can get the coils when it under the ground. The punching machine will stop work, and again leveling will work again, so that the coils won't stop here. After the punching machine, and we go to the 4th part of the production line. It's the leveling again and the cut part, the shaving part. You can see all the part is covered by the plastic tubes and by the cover. In this way, it's very safety, as I just introduced before. And you can see after the leveling, it will cut, and then you will get the finished material. It will go to the conveyor belt, and after the cut, you will get the finished product, and all the orders you can set on the PLC control system. And after the conveyor belt, the finished product will go to the stacker. The stacker is, you can see, it is a X type. When the weight is much heavy, the stacker will down, and when the weight is less, the stacker will up. This is like this sensor. That's how. This is the fully automatic punching production lines. If you like our machines, you can contact us. Hello everyone, this is Kelly from Changzhou Zhongtuo roll forming machinery. Today I will introduce you about our standing seam roll forming machinery. It can for the wall cladding and the wall panel machines. As you can see this is a 3 tons hydraulic decoiler, and here is our feeding department. And you can see there is a different shaft. It's very different as other machines. This is for the attach the film. You know, for the wall cladding machines and the wall panel product, for the surface, it's very important. You cannot scratch it and hurt the surface of the material. So when do the produce of this machine, of this product, we have to attach the film for these coils so that won't scratch the surface of the product. Here you can see there are these green rollers and that bigger green rollers. What is this? And for this small one, this is the feeding rollers, but it's very tight. So when you feed the coils, it will tighten it very tightly and move it to the machine so that the coils and the materials can fit into the machine. And here you can see there is a vertical rollers also for the guidance. When the coil fits the machine, it will change the different directions here. And for bigger rollers, this is active feeding rollers. It can touch the materials very tightly and to the machine. And when the coils, the material fit into the whole machine, it will loose so that the coil, the material won't come here. And you can see for here, this is another different point of our machines because this is a free sharing device. You know, some other different machines is after roll forming and cutting, but for this machine, it's feeding, cutting, and then roll forming. It's different things. And why we do this? Because this profile drawing is the height and the shape is a little different. If we set the after cutting, the shape will change. So we designed this one. This is very convenient and won't change the shape of this profile drawings, this product. And you can see here with the motor. You know, for some normally machines, we will use the hydraulic cutting. But for this one, we use the electric cutting. You know, in Russia area, the temperature is very low, and maybe in the winter it's almost minus 40 degrees. It's very cold, so the hydraulic oil will freezing. So we use the hydraulic one. We use the electric one. This is much convenient and won't give trouble for the machine working. And later you can see for this panel, it have many different. Later I will show you for this finished product. You can see in the one hand there are many holes in the one side. It's very easy for the installation and the screws installation. And then the hole is produced by here. There are two rollers. When it rolling, the punching holes will coming out. And for this finished product, I show you like this. This is the finished product. And the width, it can change adjustably by the PLC control system. For this one, you can change from 300 millimeter to 50 millimeters. You can change it adjustable. And here there are many different holes. It's for the screw installation, very easy. Then you can see the height and the shape is a little different and difficult. So we use the free cutting to do it, to cut it. And there are many edge. So we did smaller, the side roller. Adjust the edge. It's very beautiful to make it. Okay, and here is almost finished for this piece. And for this machine, you can see there are three different rollers here. What is this? You know, for this machine, many different wraps. The wrap for this, if you use a different width to make the wraps, you can use this one. If you want to make a bigger product, you will use this one to make wraps. And if you want to make different other rollers, you can use these wraps. So totally three different types of the wraps you can then, and you can use this one to adapt to make the rollers out, and then the product will go out, and the product will finish. So into the different wraps for this machine, and you can adjust here, and to roll it, the roller will loose and tight. When it tight, wraps will have. When it loose, the wraps will appear. So I just introduced this machine. It is adjustable, different width, and the machine transmission is controlled by the servo motor. And another side is fixed, and this side can move by the servo motor to control it from the different widths like this. So you have different widths back. And you know, now many people like the wall panels because it's very beautiful. So you have many requests. If you like our machines, you can our inquiry. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, this is Harley from Changzhou Zhongtuo Cold Roll Forming Machine Company Limited. And today I will introduce you the corrugated tail roofing sheet machine. Our corrugated roofing sheet machine has equipped with the 15 tons hydraulic decoiler, and our material thickness is very thin to 0.15 millimeter thickness, and you can see it. It's very thin. For us, for the traditional roofing sheet machine, this thin material is very hard to form, and this is also a technical problem for us. Yes, and let me introduce you from the fitting valves. This is our fitting device, and we have the rollers to adjust the valves of the materials. You can see, and we using the stainless rollers to support our materials from scratches from the paint surface, and maintain the very neat and smooth to protect our machines and our materials. And you can see that our machine structure is very strong. We have used 400H steel beam, and we use the very high level gearbox transmission type, and also we have the arch structure. It's the arch structure we use. The thickness is above 20 millimeters. So you can see our rollers, our transmission type, and our shafts are also very strong to support our machine go very smooth and neat. We use very famous brand Siemens electric motor. You can see this motor is 15 kilowatt and supports our machine with a very strong power. And you can see our shafts and rollers. Our rollers are made of GR12 material, and our rollers and shafts are all quenched with very high hardness to make our material and our profile very accurate. We use a very high-level servo cutter to match with our very high-speed roll forming part. And our roll forming part, the speed can be above 50 meters per minute. And we have a servo track and a servo motor to support our servo cutter. And it also have the hard limited and the stainless steel oil tube, and this is linked to our hydraulic pump. Our hydraulic pump have the engineer tank and energy tank and our cooling system to make sure that the oil temperature is always in an average range. And also our PLC system is all Siemens, you can see that, and we have the touch screen and also as well as the menu buttons to make sure that this whole site production line can be controlled in this one site PLC system. It's very automatic. And to make sure that the speed can be matched between the roll forming part and the receiving part, we use a conveyor belt to make sure that speed can be as a belt. As you can see that the belt is about 6 meters long, and its transmission type is also the air tank. Also you can see the air tank in the below, and this is our finished product. You can see the finished product is very neat and very accurate with the profile you provide us. So let's see the last part. You can see that the finished product is coming after the belt and then come into the stacker, and the stacker has rollers, stainless rollers, to protect the painted surface, as well as we have a limit belt to make sure that you can change it place to adjust the cutting length you want to protect. Okay, and we have this track. This track is used to make the finished product down and packed very clearly together, and the track can be moved up aside, and the fork work car can lift this finished product to another area which you pack this finished products. Okay, that's all, and thanks you for your watching, and hope we can have a beautiful cooperation together. See you next time.
Hi everyone, this is Kelly from Changzhou Zhongtuo Row Forming Machinery. Today I will introduce you all about our solar structure channel making machine. For this machine, the working speed can reach 15 meters per minute. And later, I will introduce each part for you. And you can see for this is a 3-tons decoiler, and there are many points and advantages you can learn from here. And here is the press arm. Because the material is very thick, the thick is still 2.5 millimeters. So when the coil low in here, it will, in case it won't hurt someone. So the press arm will press the coils. And also we have this to make sure the coils won't out here. And also we have the motor, and this is the hydraulic one. This is the very automatic coiler. And you can see for this machine, for the main machine roll forming part, this is the transmission, gearbox transmission, and the cut steel and gearbox transmission. This is very stable and very working, and the machine thickness is big, so that the machine works very strong and durable. For the feeding part, you see here, and beside the vertical rollers and the horizontal rollers to make sure how when it feeds the machine, when it feeding, it will change the different direction so that the material can make a very good product. And you can see for this machine, it's not only a very similar and simple structure channel. It has many details you can learn from here. And on the finished product later, you can see it is the embossed logo, and also it is a zigzag. For this rollers here, it can emboss the logo, so we can customize your company logo according to the customer's request. If you want to buy your own logo, you can tell us and we can set our machine. And you can see for this roller, for this vertical roller section, it takes the zigzag. For this zigzag, can make sure when you use the product, it won't get down and out of from the down and from the side. It won't out from here. This is zigzag, the function for this one. And also, we use the embossed way, not the punching way, to do the zigzag. So in this way, it will be much beautiful than the punching ones. And for the main roll forming machine, for the host machine, we not only use the rollers, the horizontal rollers, we also have the vertical rollers and the horizontal rollers together to make sure the shape, the back won't change the shape. And here you can see there is a very important, this is called the 45 degree rollers, and make sure the angle is much beautiful for these details. And also for these rollers, can make sure the finished product will change the shape, and the angle is very good, and the finished product is very straight. And the structure and also the change the shape. This is very important. And for this machine also is control system. You know, this machine you can adapt the different ones and the different height, and will control this one, the PLC control system. And if you want to produce the different size, the 41 plus 41 and 1 plus 21, you can set and choose the PLC control system. And the machine is controlled by the servo motor. It will change directly and automatically. So it can still match lobbers, and one lobber can control the one machine, so the two man lobbers. And the machine, why we can control and can confirm the machine, make sure won't change the shape. We have many stations, not only on the roll form part. Also, after the whole roll forming, we have another turkey head. In the turkey head, we can make sure the product won't change again, and make sure the finished product is much straight and won't change the shape again. As I just introduced before, for this working speed can reach 15 meters per minute at a punching station, because in this product many holes on the product. So we set one punching station can punch 6 holes together. And if you have a much faster request for the output, we can set on the one station 10 holes together. And if you want to get much output, and set 9 punch stations here, maybe you have the punching station, and you can get 10 holes together. Each station has 10 holes. In this way, 20 per minute. So this one, and here here you can see where the knife is only 5 millimeters. Manual thing. It's very thin. And how can you make sure it won't break and you can see there the details. Our snap is inside of the whole part. In this way, it can zip much materials. It will give very many waste materials, 5 mm waste materials, and also ensure the snap and the shearing part is very small and very durable for you to use it. And for our pump station and our the cutting stations is also motor, so very accurate, and also for the shearing is very good. After the cutting, and maybe someone will think I need someone to pick up the product known as the automatic stacker. You can after cutting the product, the finished product will come in here, and for this stacker will suck it. There are many fields. For one magnet will suck the materials, and it will move to them together and package together, and you can get it in the finished product. No need someone to operate. One person can operate all the production lines. For machine, this is a fully automatic solar structure channels. If you have any questions, you can inquire to us.
Now let me introduce one of our main machines to you. Sailing system Tiger. There are 3 machines. Minty machine, cost machine, and this machine was used in the home decoration. Products made by for the sailing system. The customers from countries such as in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Iraq, Oman, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, and so on. Let me show you class. This is minty. This is minty. This is the garage, and this is the wall window. Window solder on the wall. You have the water structure and crossty and minty touch each other, and the roof panel on the top. This kind of system for easy install advantage. It can improve the working efficiency, and at the same time, this kind of system easy repair if the roof system has some damage. Hello, let me now introduce 3 machines to you. There are 3 machines in this the city system machines. The system product. This is minty machine, and this is the one machine. That means is a cross machine. This machine is necessary. This machine is necessary for the system production. And this minty machine, the size is a little bigger, a little longer. Working space is about 25 meters and weight about 3 meters. And for the one machine, space need a little small. The length need about 12 meters and weight is about 2 meters. And for the cross-T machine, the space need about 15 meters and 3 meters width. These 3 machines need 1 feet container and 20 feet container for delivery. And this machine, the weight about 13 pounds. Normally the machine 40 tons. Introduction for you one. First one is teach you. And then there are 2 colors on this machine. One color for the for this material, CPM material. CPM means they are cut on the until use the power per surface of the meat. The thickness is about 0.0 millimeter. The weight is about 19 millimeter weight. And for this is the base material. Normally for minty, the thickness is about 0.38 like this millimeter thickness. You can see these 2 decolors the type is different and the other decolor because this material the width very narrow, so it's kind of design can be loose when using with the wing. And at the same time, decolor it's not have the feed motor. This decolor put the main roll form machine. The main form put into the machine and then do the form. As you can see, this machine of the middle bit and cast frame structure. This kind of structure can guarantee the working stable and asynchronous operation. For this machine, there are 18 main rollers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 18. There are 18 main rollers. And shaft of the machine is 40 millimeter. The rollers of the machine of 12 is the best material. These rollers we give guarantee within 7 years damage which will kill. And this machine option transmit. As you can see, there are 2 transmitter motors. 1, 3, up 3 kilo. Follow me, please. And the sharing system. This sharing system adopts self-tracking system. Power of super is 1.2 kW. And for this sharing, it done 3 kW at station to apply the power of the sharing system. For me, this is a punch machine. This machine adopts adopt hydraulic punching punch holes the holes on products. There is a sphere on this machine. The feed more precision when punching. And after punching, the product still done, and the workers can do the packaging job. There are two computers on this machine. This is one computer, and that is another computer. As you can see, this machine, there are two computers on this line. First, the computer over here. This computer used to control the parameter of the sharing structure. It can find length and unit. For example, you want to produce 100 pieces, and each piece is 3 meters. You just need 3 meters length and 100 pieces here. This machine automatically and the cost pieces 100 point. Controller used to control the punch system. This is of the hydraulic, and there is the feeder feed material into the machine automatically, and after punching, it is and the worker can do the package job. For the 3 machines, Minty, Cross, and Ball Angel, normally there are standard size of them. For the Minty, normally the height is 32 mm and the width is 24 mm. For the Cross T, normally the height is 26 mm, width is 24 mm. And for the Ball Angel, normally it's 20 by 22. This is the standard height of 3 machines. We have many customers from all around the world. Most of them adopt this kind of size for the system products. But some countries also have customers, for example, from South Africa. Some customers buy Minty. The height is 38 feet, and the weight is 20. I don't know if the height is bigger, the product will be stronger. But I think the cost for the material will be here. You know, we customer from Europe, and they bought 3 machines from us before. And Angel, they bought first a 24 with mini weight. But after they produce some they found their competitors price a little cheaper. They find a reason because the Angel they produce size bigger, so the rollers is more than others can win the competition. When in market, finally we produce new rollers and sell to them. And for this 3 products, normally for this one Minty need 2 types of material: the surface material and the base material. For surface material, normally the thickness is 0.2 meter. Color is real number is 906, and the weight is 29 meter. And for the base material, the thickness is 3 meter, and at the same time the weight is 103. This is standard with the thickness of the Minty. And Minty material normally it adopts galvanized material, and for third normally the base material adopts galvanized material, and the surface material same color real 9016, and the thickness 0.2, weight 29. And this one is 0.25 and it's 76. And for this one, normally it adopts TGI, PVM material, and the raw material. And the thickness of the raw material is 0.4, and the weight of the material is 48 millimeter. This is a description of the 3 products and the natural materials for this machine. This is the cross machine. For the machine, let me show you. It contains decolors. There are 2 decolors on the machine. And for the surface material, normally the customer adopts white color, and the real number is 9016. The width is 29 millimeter, and thickness is 0.2 millimeter. This is the standard material for this product. And another decolor for this material. Normally the material is galvanized. The width is 76 millimeter, and thickness is about 0.25 millimeter. This is the standard for the Minty. For the T, 2 decolors are many types of decolor. They cannot feed material into the machine. They are put by the mirror forming machine. As you can see, the 2 colors is different as normal colors. They are not standard type, but other design. We design the color like this. So the colors the machine used are too narrow. So if we adopt the standard type color, it is easy to lose, and we have trouble. For the main raw machine, as you can see, the machine adopted the middle plate of this and the hot steel frame. The frame is strong, and the kind of machine structure can guarantee the machine making more stable and precision. This machine have 16 forming rollers. The rollers adopt CR material. This is the best material for this kind of forming models. We have 4 phase 4 rollers, and we can give you 5 years warranty for rollers. Within 5 years, any damage, the rollers can change rollers for you free of charge. For shaft, the diameter is 50 meters, and the material adopts 45 steel. The motor of this machine is 2 kW motor. The voltage is 380. This electric part option is customers make machine voltage and customers requirements such as 220, 380, 450, 480. So crossing machine working speed is 25 meters per meter. This is the standard speed for this kind of porosity roll forming machine. This machine adopts 11 kW hydraulic power for the punching and shearing. When punching the machine, we will put up two lungs at the same time. And you can see there are some holes on the porosity products, right? Those holes use the floor on top of the roof. The punching and the shearing system, there are 3 models on it. This system adopts 3.8 kW full tracking, shearing, and punching, which can guarantee the punching and shearing precision. After hose punching and the shearing ready, the product is down on the conveyor, and conveyor move the product to the same tool, and then workers can do the packaging job. This is one computer for quality rotation. This is used to punch the shearing and punch system. Adopt famous brand PLC, holder, touch screen, and inventor. This can guarantee the accuracy of the working life and stable. For the operation language, we have English and Chinese language. We can design your personal requirements. The wall machine, now let me show you. It contains the color. There are color machine. Normally, the customer adopts the white color. The real color is 9016. Material is 48 millimeter and thickness is 0.5 millimeter. This is the standard material for this product. The color are manual decolor. It cannot fit the material machine. It are pulled by the main roll forming machine. Manual tap decolor. For the main roll forming machine, as you can see, this machine adopts the middle plate base cast frame. The frame is round, and this kind of machine structure can guarantee the machine making more stable precision. This machine have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have 10 main rollers. The rollers adopt CR12 material. This is the best material for the models. We have phase 4 rollers and can give you 5 years guarantee. Within 5 years, any damage of the rollers, we can change a new roller for you free of charge. For short, the material is 40 millimeter. Material is 45 steel. The drum motor of the machine is 3 kW, and the voltage is 380. For the electric part of the machine is customized. We can make the machine work and customers' personal requirements, such as 320, 680, 450, 480, so on. The wall window machine working speed is 40 meters per minute. This is standard speed for the wall window roll forming machine. For the shearing system, this machine adopts hydraulic power for cutting. The hydraulic power is 3 kW, and this kind of cutter adopts full motor for the trunk. The full motor power is 1.2 kW. This can guarantee the working do not stop, cut plus 2 lungs, and shearing the product. After shearing, the product will sit down on the retail. Then workers can do the packaging job. There is one computer on the machine to control the shearing system, such as lungs 20. All machine adopts fingers and PLC, encode the touch screen and inventor. This can guarantee the lungs and working life and stability. For the operating language, we have both English and Chinese language. We can design language and your personal preference. Hello, dear sirs and madams. Welcome to our show. My name is Hello, and I'm the sales manager of our factory named Geit-MU Machinery. Our factory located in Geit is a factory dedicated to the design and manufacturing of different types of wood roll forming machines. Our factory has a long history. We do the designing and manufacturing of the cold roll machines since 1996. The machines we can manufacture contains roofing sheet machine, seat machine, let's go gauge machine, idle embossing machine, door system machine, set machine, high volume machine, stitching and color machines, record machines, block machines, stone coated roofing machines, and so on. All factory has the ISO certificate, C certificate, CS certificate, and so on. Always issue all concept. Time is money, quality is customer is king in the mind of every employee. We strictly control quality, while improving production efficiency and shorten delivery time. All ships produced by us before land test before leaving the factory. We never send firm equipment to customers. We have full experience of export. We know well about the different demands of customers, both developing countries and developed countries. We provide many sanitary proposals to customers in the past years. Nowadays, our ships have already been exported to more than 150 countries, and we established long-term and stable relationships with our customers.
Hello everyone, this is Judy from Zhangzhou Forming Machinery Company. This is a logo of our Zhongguo forming machine. We use this logo using this logo. Okay, now I introduce a metal sheet forming machine for you. Maybe you are not familiar with this machine. What is a forming machine? You are familiar with the machine, I'm sure familiar with that. Let me show you some few efforts. You can see this is a forming machine. See the finished product. This is embossed plate. We can see it in many places, such as the elevator and the bus floor. This is anti-gate plate. This is how to use it. We also can use it in the roof and in the home appliance. So now I think you may know after introduce the finished product, I will introduce the machine. You can see this is a home machine. It seems not a very long product line, but this machine is very strong enough. Can you see? In the beginning, we will use the input table. We will the detail with 0 because it's our lifetime now. So we don't put it, but we'll give it as a gift for you. Can place order now. So it's a gift. It's a gift for you. Now let's introduce the next part. This is the embossing machine. This is the most important part in the line. You can see this is roller. Here are the rollers. It's very strong because for the material we can use minimum 5mm thickness. So the roller have to be very big. If it should be strong enough, then we can use for a very long time. You can see all the rollers we use is solid material. The weight of is over 10 tons. It means the main weight is the rollers. To be honest, our weight will be zero higher than other companies. One of the most important reasons is the rollers. You can see the roller is very big. If some suppliers use the empty rollers, then the cost will be much lower than us. So that way, the price will be much different. So this is a very important point for you to choose which machine is better for you. You can remember this part. Now let's look at the surface of the rollers. You can see our surface is very bright. If you are familiar with it, you may know some rollers will be black. You know the reason why? This is because our rollers, the surface had chromed. That's because we did the hardest processing. The only and then will be black. But we had another processing method for it. Chrome, so it will be much more harder of the roller. So the use time for this roller will be very longer than that rollers. Okay, so now let's look at the structure. You can see it's very thick. We use the whole structure, and these sides are all solid. It means that it's very strong. So the line of the machine is also very long. You can see the diameter of the roller can be about 500 millimeters. This is a motor. This is the motor of the embossing machine. The power of the motor is 22 kilowatts. Let's look at here. It's 22 kilowatts because this machine is for 5mm material, which is very thick. So power should be to make the working stable. This is the speed reducer. You can see this structure is not very thick, so it's very easy for operation. Now let's look at it. Here are some rollers. The rollers is to be the material after embossing and fit into a leveling part. Because the material after embossing will be a little curved, so we will add the rollers and press it, let it into a leveling machine slowly. As I just explained, the material after embossing will be a little curved, so we use the leveling machine to make the material straight, flat. You can see our rollers. This is the rollers. It's very big. The diameter is about 140 meters. There are totally 11 leveling rollers. 5 rollers in the up and 6 rollers in the down. And you can see the whole structure we use the whole structure, which is very strong for the machine. And you can also see the details for each part. And the screws. And we also add the screw in the machine. The ground is not flat. We use the flat groove to make the machine work stable. This is motor level. It's motor level. Because up to 5mm material is very thick, so this motor is also very weak. About 7.5 kilowatt. create a connection for this machine. This working is very simple. So if you are a newcomer, you are the first time user, it's not complicated for you to use it. Let's look at inside. The inside only do frequency word. The with number. So if you just connect it with the state with number is okay. So it's very easy. And also here's the battery, and also the menu for machine. As I introduced, then the maximum thickness for the machine is 4 mm, but it also can use signature like this one. We can also use thin material. For example, 1 mm, 1.5 mm. When we use thick materials, it means we have to make adjustment for the machines because the thickness different speed. How we can adjust the thickness, I will introduce you. You can see here's the wheel. Here's the wheel here. Because if we use thin material 1 mm and 5 mm, there are 4 mm difference. So the space also need to adjust it. So in here, this is used to adjust the roller space. I will show you how to adjust it. In this machine, we add over here. We can adjust it by the position. For this one, for embossing roller, that one is manual. We only adjust one side, okay. We adjust side, and then the rollers will be up and down. We just adjust to the sealed material. It seal the space for the material. Okay. You can see it's very easy. It's very easy. Only adjust one side easily. Same for the leveling machine. The leveling machine also need just the spacers to reduce for material thickness. Here we open my up and down. And before delivery, we will also put the English mark here. It's very easy. This way, in this direction, up this direction is down. Okay, so this is the introduction for this one. The machine is very easy. And there, you maybe have another question. There are 2 motors, 2 frequency converters. Will be confused. How should I adjust the speed of machine? If the embossing machine and the leveling machine with the speed machine, how should I match them? So this is the question we do now. We adjust the speed. We connect them. The speed of the embossing, the leveling machine will always match. You can see this is overall machine. If you put this one, the machine, embossing machine, the level machine will work together. And they all it will adjust the machine. You can use the low speed, but when making slowly, everything is go well. Adjust the speed, and the project counted will. And also some buttons for the manual adjustment. Because sometimes we'll change different widths, different thickness. This way, it will adjust the machine. So these buttons are for this. After the material, there is a label guide the material. We have partners who see our live show. We will give you the tables for free. So if you are interested in it or you need it, but we have to contact us now. Our discount is very small. Okay. Machine. I will introduce the rolling shutter machine for you. This machine is used widely. As you can see it everywhere in our door. It's in the door. You can see there are different types. This is the usage of it. We use it in door. And also the hose. This is the hose. The main difference and also the emboss here. This is that it is use this in the world. You can see so many. It means our machine is customized by request different materials, like different material, different designs, and different holes, and embossing patterns. And also there is a period. These are all customized as you request. Now I introduce the machine for you. For this machine, it includes the divider, the reformer, and the cutting system, and also the stacker, control system, and hydraulic system. And now I introduce the main machine for you. For this machine, we produce 2 sets of rollers. You can see 1, 2, 2 sets. It means this is 2 sides. One machine only can produce 1 size, but this one we can produce 2 sides because there are many different sizes maybe customer needs. In this way, it doesn't need 2 machines anymore. Firstly, it will build the cost of the machine. Secondly, it can reduce save the place. If customer salary very we can choose this type. Here, this is the fitting type because the material is not galvanized steel. If the steel here is the stainless steel, it can go mostly to the machine to not touch the surface of the material. And this is the fitting glass. Here are the hand glass, the width of the material. Sometimes it's different. Of course, transport is not accurate, so we use the hand wheel to adjust it to let the speed straight the reformer. And the active part is the reformer. You can see this is our rollers. All the rollers we use is the R12 with the treatment. This process makes the roller very hard. We can for 10 years lifetime of the. And you can see here the shaft. All that we use is for 5 steel. And for the structure of the machine, we can see we use the whole frame value. It means the machine working will be very stable. See the whole plate. And for this one, we use the holding frame. Holding frame is 14 meters. It means it's very enough. So our guarantee for 10 years can guarantee. And the transmission of the machine is back shape. You can see we add a tank here. Firstly, it can protect the hands from hurt. Secondly, we use a winch. We can see the chain working clearly. If there's something broken or some damage, we can see it very clearly. So the mesh wire is very good design. You can see here part there. This part we divide it into 2 parts. When we do it, because you know the ship weight is very high now. Compared to every country is very high. So we adopt this design so we can put the machine together. It will save cost in here. You can put more in, so you can reduce the cost of it. Here is the motor. The motor machine. You can see we put the motor in this machine. Not many machines we put like this. It's in that way it will take a lot of space. More here we can use in the other by this way. It's very good. It will only take us a little place. Our motor. Here is used for measuring the length of the product because your requirement will be different. For example, 2 meters is used for measure the length. All the encoder we use is brand. It's a very different brand. And in that show, you interest we can use another encoder for you. Brand is this part. In this part, so this part, this is a straight device. This device is very important. Why I say like this? Because the material form it will be it's part of this is used for that to be very free. So this part is very important. If you add machine, the machine is a very important part you need to add.
Hello everyone, this is for joining our live here. Today I will introduce our solution for you. Okay, the first is class hydraulic color. And this color is to end into the colors. For hydraulic color, you avoid the rule of policy is safety. And the free side of the closures, it can avoid this kind of oil when the oil put in the forming machines. And this one is the it can adjust the speed rate according to the forming machines automatically. And here, equipped with magic clip, it stops the fires immediately when crash stop. Also the remote. It is easy to operate the color. Although what electric part we use a named brand, it is easy to manage and easy to change. For this, we all have this bracket on the other side, so you can use the decoder from different directions to feed the coil the performance. It's very good. It's the main frame to the swing drift, and the rip with drift, and also have hook with easy loading of movement machines. The double layer also have 2 collider. And for the feeders, we have 2 stainless drawers. Have bring side so you can smoothly. For void current to pass the void, with 3 grooves and also a neon plate in the groove, so we can guide the coil to the forming machines. This machine we use the middle plate, so you can see the HC. This is 20 mm. The main RS size we use only 60 mm split. For the shot is 80 mm. The solid fuel, which is more strong, and also have other large. The lowest temperature is 45 fuel, and with high coated, so the surface is very smooth, and the boss hardness makes it a longer lives. So this is iron bracket and the boss. It's a precision agent and the better performance on structure and cover, especially in a high humidity region near the region. This machine driven by chain other than and the protect cover. It can not only motivate but also can protect the chains from dark. Some of the chains may protect the chains, so we protect the chains and the breakers. Normal double layer machines. When you use the one layer, the layers will rotation transform and collect ones. For the double layers, you can switch to select apply on layers page. So avoid with war and this later we close the first and album lines more accurate. And then this is how you can use the full regular stagger. It makes the cutting movement action more stable. Cutting blade materials are each can ensure 500,000 cutting times. And director hydraulic tool. It makes the cutting is more balanced, more stable. And this is just resistor. We select figure one stupid, and the green language we can customize your requirement. English, Spanish, Korea, that's also use brand net. Only 2 minutes. PlayStation. We are having them on the station. It can overheat like a dial, so can ensure in for hydraulic items. Okay, now thank you.
Let me introduce a new machine. This is a box machine. Here are some samples. You can look different parts. This one, this one. And this one is most popular. This one is from my customer. Passion is this one. You can see. And this emotion is a double side. This front side, side. It's built from machine. Now let's introduce. This is a feeding table. This one is it. Around here and in position flight sheet. And that machine is one. For the material of this machine can be suitable for garment steel and cotton steel and also aluminum the material. If you have the material is coming from and advanced is able part. And this is the main machine in both parts. You can see 2 very big rollers. For the thickness of the sheet, the thickness of the sheet can be from max. We can see max thickness of the sheet. This machine can reach 5 mm, 5 millimeters. This one, 5 millimeters. And for the width of the sheet can be 1.5 meter. The width of the sheet can be 1.5 meter. Also, it makes size. If your sheet is more than narrow, the OK max is 1.5 meter. Okay, simplify. After the speed roller, so and this roller which can reach ordinary is already machine. This roller, to the test rollers, simple with the of materials and then can just like unveil. It has a safe cover, big gate, and this big gate will give us for the big rollers. After both machine sheet being so that a lovely part. And this rollers is connected with the lovely part. It was the sheet goes mostly into the lovely part. After the lovely part, the sheet finish is very flat and use is very good. You see rollers are one have 5 and lower have 6. 7 upper and lower have 5. Also have the later to adjust the distance of sheets. It can be from here, and also to later the both sides. This is also from here, and no workers to keep safety. Two big motors of the ship. For the motor, this one, built on both motors is 2 kW, and this one is 7.5 kW for this one. This latter part is our table. That machine of the leveling part is very here. So our workers can stand here and receiving this. For this one, the operation was only need to enough. This operation as well as the worker safety. They have the movement. The parts are covered by safety cover to make sure no smoke is or no worker figure into it to keep safety. Last here. Then the is speed. It's hard to low that much. No, we can change it. Sometimes if ultimate speed is much higher than the leveling part, the leveling effect will be not so good. So the 2 parts, the drain speed is same. Okay. I will say speed part here. All from here and it can show speed until the leveling. You can turn here and you can try to understand. By the way, the surface of the part and the leveling part after the charge, the surface of it will very flat and not. This material can be max and rate and fan. The max one it can reach to 6 mm, 6 mm. If you have also the design is customized. The design can be according to your requirements. So you have your any special requirement to symbols. Our engineering team can give you a simple resolution. Any better context will first from it and write video.
Hello everyone, welcome to hello everyone, this is the tour of machinery listed, and this is here introducing you the serial machine, and the is the classical machine, and this part is the first part. Metal coiler, 2 multi-coilers, for the material, and that one is bottom material. The first is always gas steel, this one is GI and PL, okay, and the C is 1 part. And the last part is the main form part here. This is the engine. Rotor means here and then to the rotor part. And this rotor turn the steel sheet crushed, and highway to the device of the rotor to relay to and that the rotor part is the structure of rotor part is independent steel thing, and the rotor is CR5 steel and garbage treatment, and the shaft temper is fast steel treatment, and this is black space and roller tape. And this is the bearing for bearing roller and stand. There are also thin stations and the next one here. This is the base part. You can see the transmitted by this chains. Temporary operator's hand or higher or being the machine. And this rotor, two motors, each one is 2.2 kW. Can must stay and can assure the party can be 25 meters per minute. So what? This is a control account. In the middle is parameters, the product length, the quantity, and the percent. You can see and okay, and the language and the operation we can use English, French, Russian, or etc. And then that was is one about magnetic for part. As in fine, then I am sure when the continue for 5 or 8 hours. And with the after light working, the go will be right. So this works quick. So it can transition working into the this one part. Can see that I'm from the part. Let's read the changes here and you can see this is there with collected here and this all be broadcast. And then that will come out of this curved out. Usually the that across the left is 0.6 and 1.2 meters long. And this is a bar from Porsche and I'm introducing the new machine for sealing system. And you can see that even the anti-air. This one is for heat material, and one is for bomb material. All of them are some basic buttons. Okay, now that middle. This bench is where the material comes in. You can see it's the handles, and you see the roller right on top of it. You can 3 bars. Next part is from it. And the structure is to cut steel step, 4 instead. And you can see the key right wrong. This is where the fixture comes. The roller is here while steel with quench treatment, and the shaft material is 45 steel with quench and the diameter of the shaft are 40 meters. And you see the black one is protection for the bearings between the shaft and the cast. And then the black part. This is the transmission part. See, it is driven by chain, and see the sticker can prevent the operator's hand higher or being dragged into the machine and receive. And you can see there are two small here. You can see it's SIM 2.2 kW. And this kind of servo can make the machine move smoothly and less noise. And the speed can be also 25 meters per minute. Okay. And you can see here, this is where the material and the bottom material been put together from this part. And then this is the parting part. The part is track parting. It's called the non-stop parting system. And there is a thermal here, 1.2 kW. This is a real system. And the material is GEIT-MU. It's a lifetime. And the part with the plate system. This half you can see, you can set the numbers, the beat, and all the quantity, all parameters here. And you can also change the operation language. You can choose English, Spanish, French, Russian, Korean, etc. We can customize as our requirements. This is the cabinet. This is a PLC convert right here, and it's right very easy here. You don't need to connect when people ship it to you, and we can give you products. And here, there's more here. Here it will come and send the over. And this part is the part, the whole here it will be transfer here. And this one is the restriction for the NT. And the spark is for the and here this is the overall clip. When the panel here, it will clamp the NT move forward. Then the part will come up to the receiving. This is the part of the NT. And NT length is 30 meters. This is the direction for the pumping. It's pretty important and about we use a North and this is motor for metal is a big about to the oil will be rehacked not only the one will put the and the start with the you can see it. And the bottom part you had you can set the rate on less it is nice right here and the ring we can also customize all we can install. This is the one roll machine. The last machine the modular and the logistic tons. And that part is the living part. The front entry vegetable mirror, the material from here. Full width for it's really for free Robert. And then the minute of the is in place of two heads on heads and the raw material as CR deal with the and the five seal and with into the treatment. These are six bright and here is protection part of the shaft and there are 10 stations here. And this is roller. This is from and this this can be absolutely different. So for the ERC component, you can the less quantity and feed here, and you can also come up with the advantage that's all can you. And then what here? Wait. See here, right here, and this is the computer. You need to check all the bars before the machine will collect all the bars here. It's very easy for customers. Okay, that's right. Also, cutting system, and there is a rotor to the real of the pack. And cutting late, cutting little material of move with the crunch is real, and then this one. This is oil, and it can put about 8 to 100 years of oil. And this is that will be and that's one is good time for you. And this is provide this trick and then try to people manual control. And here is how to find the entity, and this is the entity and what party is all about together. And the upper is very more and that then is 2 meters by 12 meters and 40 size 26 meters and 5 meters and the height 3 meters 5 meters. And this is how they come together. This is you can see hand here and all of the products come back to the whole thing.
We use the upgrade which is the upgrade and log is the project file. The is project and now which have to easily only. So that it's a whole update and what it is for this micro hour team and not just the and what the measures for the and so it's going to transfer to the
Look at the the rotor is more active and they can make the rotor use life longer. And the shaft mirror is also number 5 steel and with treatment. And this one is this is the shaft. The mirror is always 80 millimeters. If you want the function, it's 90 or 100 millimeters. And this is the shaft and the wrist. If the mirror is for you to it can reduce it will not ready to rock.
Today, we choose the sling to choose some working voltage. The first is a deep power and the capacity of the cord. The sitting and the finish. And the cylinder produced 3 years ago. And the cookie and the center of the cord has started to need new to and it's got a big and the big is happy. It's got a full and usually lights up and the tool to the materials. The durable is the seal. It's very fine will not be fashionable or so much and this will help and can see to prove you not some materials in your but the processing action. For example, and you can standard on our system and only 3 meters is built and run in for we use your to add in perhaps more thinkers the reverse is not people there we see the to 300 you can see many source to change this Z and the option of being there. This button is to change the what's of the and Z. To choose first is from the bottom thing. So it's like changing like more easy. And the rose rush plus solar materials is value with so certain quench to so more than the you can see the application is it will be a home process because as we load these machines into the containers, there will have some hydraulic pump, PLC control system, PLC cabinet, so we use this collected more easily because there have some so many wires need to contact, so many oil pump, oil pipe need to contact. So very, very complicated to do this part. Some customers tell me that loading your machines is very, very complicated to connect the wires and oil pumps. So help me in this part. So in this part, we design this new design. The pumps, the oil pipes, and directly connect with the oil pump, and the wires are easy to connect to the PLC cabinet. And in this part, you can see there are some buttons. There's buttons in this part. This button is for CC changing this, and this button is for the bottom wires of the changing. Sometimes we need to block this means maybe the setting correct, maybe the wires is not the exact wires which I want to produce. So we use the buttons to make them block. And after that, we go to them more. And these machines will go to our factory and can use machines for production. And these machines in motor is 22 kilowatts. Servo motor to run these machines. These machines will very fast. Later, I will engineer to load these machines and test these machines. This is our PLC computer system. You can set papers in the PLC and let the machine run and production. You can set so many conditions in the machines, and after conditions is over, the machine will stop. And it has an emergency stop. Once it is stopped, and you can let the machine stop. And these machines have 5 punching stations: 2 for control, and 3 for new punching, 1 for auto, 3 for rectangle. And you can change punching position by adjusting. They have 2 parts to adjust the punching wise of this. You can also adjust part to change punching wise. Maybe beginning. Or factory, we will test these machines according to your status which you provide for me, and then we will test the machine according to that this. But if this machine arrives your factory, to test what you want to do yourself. For example, the new punching hole has a distance to the both sides 50 meters. You want to punch 100, so you need to adjust 50 meters. But it's too easy to do. This cut knife is cut knife of the 13 inch. One cut knife can cut so many pieces of 6 inches, and you can also see punching hole. You can see punching hole around the hole, and one big of the side hole. What you very small. You can see some tower. And sometimes actually store hole side hole is very hot inside the car. Our cut knife adjust height wise for my side. If you use 6 body, you can adjust the height of the knife and if you want to always to adjust this part to let it mass pain. And process the intersection means like this. There can show us why every piece is the basic and this is more control of the motors. The summary is so control and what it so you are very and this is here very so we use this design to help save time. Many customers imagine this. I waste almost 2 days or almost a week to connect wires, but have a plug. I log of each connecting. So if you host connect to the every own machine. And then touch has its own motors. This is let us motors to run the poles and recognize any more customers. This servo motors, we design 22 kilowatts. Servo motor will be like the machine more faster. And you can see this machine measure chip. This is dynamic and a lot of the chain is very time use. You know that using chain, you need to hammer side part nothing to a rope needed like this takes time. That is has 20 years from machines because our road is big, 3 years and more than 3 and the gear is hard. It's hard and so sometimes maybe have some color gears. So our model has because you should follow to like more time and they have a next we have machines and show you how fast it can be and start to let the machine in to our parts and all details. All the way. I don't see there, sir. Before processing, still after that will out of the machines and this will be so this part. So machines and how the materials the machine on is important to stop off. However, moving from over today, I will do better for the machines have 10 rows of rotations and the lower side has some bearings to let the machine the same way. Once you can see other bearings don't have bearings, motors, if you don't have any power on top, the still powering this lever. As a bearing, as the tempers are running at speed, and the counter is the counter will be in the before the counter in this part, below this part. After your production finish, for example, to produce this product, and after this, it will stop, and you can see the rest of the servos. And the fitting part rollers is stainless steel, and we have 4 rollers, and this goes for the 2 have some liquid full inside this machine, and you can just grab service the button on the door. And use this wheels to adjust the part. And you can see the machine frame is a molding frame. It's very high the structure, so it's stronger. It will be more stronger than the wall plate. The driving method of the machines change the drive have 1.2 inch pin drive the machines. The power of the motors is 5.5 watts. And the machine running speed 40 minutes. The roller material of this machine is physical. This material is very hard and can use for almost 50 years with most and according to the thin part lets the material continue to go straight to cutting knife. Do not have some curve and have some the rollers. So after spinning, there is a cutting system. The cutting system is so much like so this cutting method can make this machine speed can reach 14 minutes. And this is the pure system. This cutting system is not together. Not the machine together. And the machine is used as gas and the purity and it is down to burn. We will use induction together to let the machine to move the button. And this to let the machine run fast or run down, control it. And this to let the machines go back, forward, go back. This is how it starts and this is how it stops. This is a servo motor. If you don't use the the machine cannot automatically because the servo motor is can measure speed. Servo motors is 1.2 kilowatt motors and that is running so fast. And the rotation has 2 motors running the machines. The valve, equal the machines, the valve, very low and small. This is the unique machine. So only smart power to cut it. And the noise was the machine finished to be used for the travel and this product. Usually in the ground well. And this profile with the later and mostly your profiles have drawn on the and it's called H or 12. And you need to let the mesh through the process and the gravel system will be easily together and then you use the other to make the warehouse. So you two have good fun to have all you could not in some countries. So this is how the idea so the temperature is very hot. So we need good fun to have all let that be more so. Normally we provide 3 meters big table to let the customers receive that because normally need meters of the bottles with 3 meters and 6 mostly 3 meters is very quality of the 3 meters is very big. So normally we provide 3 meters table, but you need a more longer but also designed for you because very big for us 2 meters. And after machine finished, we will have the machines. After machine is strictly running or factory, we will pay a video for our customers. And then if customers is by one, okay, we can add values and ship the machine for our customers. So can trust us. How the testing machine quality, we will test it and give you an answer. So as we can service. We can use 100 to 200 liters material tests. And after all is happy, all is complete. We will start okay.
Hello, and as a cylinder, I have factory need to machine. All factory will be to the design and manufacturing of different types of roofing machines. Now, factory, we do the designing and manufacturing of the whole machines in the machine. The machines, we can manufacture this roofing machine, this machine, let's do machine, middle machine, also machine, hybrid machine, sleeping and couple machines, roller machines, machines, don't coaches, roofing machine, and so on. All factory has the ice dedicated, and so on. Please instill all concept, quality, life, customer design into the man, every employee, it's really functional well, improving easy and all machines produced by us before leaving the factory. We never send the rubber equipment to customers. We have full experience of export, having more for the better announced customers from most developing countries and developed countries. Provide manufacturing support to customers. It's very important than IoT and we establish a certain relationship for customers. And now I go all machines, machines. Just their machines. 整体并且function the function. Today you in the operation. Across the mountain, you have facing this and here. There have this round. You are the last guy to. Control the workers. CT, and the voyage. Is the is the support structure and cross each and then the root hand on the top of structure. This kind of system have easy advantage. It can improve the working efficiency at the time. This kind of easy for system damage. Hello, I use the service to you. In this system machine for the system product. This machine is the function and the procedure distributions. This is for the sensor product. System function side the leader is long the meters and this 3 meters and measurement this is the meters no space for the constant space in the bottom 10 meters system in the bottom for the delivery this region to be about 13 very hot also on the map only you do need to also the injury this is the important because the server for the this is injury mean they are on the surface this is the cover surface the bottom is about 2 millimeters the height is 90 millimeters base and this is the limit to me there was read like the hence it's not different and the because you know because the very next is county news are using the music item it's the basic instrument the new function to into and new and this function of the start and during start this are county and I think the process for it the 80 rollers 1 2 3 4 80 the two of the action 40 meters first what kind of one so there will be very different move and the system and the inner for me and the system and on the main First, the computer here. This computer is to the parameter changes its size, length, and quantity. And limit. For example, you want 100 pieces, and each piece is you just decide 3 plus and 100 pieces here. This much. The shape you move naturally. Similarly, 100 pieces. This function of this system. This is the perfect. And this is more than just a super here. This will fit each object and action. It is the kind. The function of the process module. The model standard set. The mean the symbol. The rotate. The base image. Everything in the image. The way on the this is the mechanism turns more the detail size. The later part. The function also customers. The also faster. The mean is 30 each. And make it playful. And if it is part of its structure, but at the same time, the also will be you only have to be the rumors from us. And the engine people has the people is service larger people the server can be found some period by period. This is the slider. So the more side of window and then I don't start craft me and people my first brand the and the find me and something something and the one and see the project. I'll show you. And remember the diagonal lines. The first line in the actually is from the center of this and the this is the last thing and is one to this is the only the first to the multiple the solution one solution and the security law first the center the end part because first shows the so you need to the center part it is will help the this is the product this is the best measure models. So this part is customer and customer 380, 450, 480, and so on. This is the lead. When the idea for function, we call out and this host project to the whole out of the roof. The point series on its of the brain is full current between function and chain position. And generally, the process is on the and you move up to the table and work in the region. This is the one for the function. The chain and function system of the things and the encoder customer and limiter. The language last life. So written how the tag with the brain. So the consider there are like the color and real is the nice organ. The choice is the image is the other meter considered 0 plus. The color and color. It also the solution it are whole function managed color. Finish the see my basic frame still free and system will count the machine most and precision. System how 1 2 3 4 5 8 then 4 minutes first the system models. For we can give you in years any page rulers we can change for free charge. Soft is finished. The material is fast. The motor is really and the voltage is 8. The active part, which is customer information, and customer service, touch and quality, 400, and so on. So there could be a team this is for indoor function. For the system, heavy power, is 3, and the small the small is 1 to 11, singularly, and then after the brass will lead up, and then can keep up. The picture on the room, last point, and theory in color and touch rate, similarity, length and last both. For the language, we have both English and language, the language, and also requirements. And this is I reference and the process all over and in the I gave you good service and service kind of very and the shit form. Give them more and I appreciate realized classify thank you very much.
Hello, this is from corresponding machine. Today we are going to introduce the double machine of you. Now you can see that which machine is produced for a customer in the orange example. Consumer something or also we don't take yourself the machine industry or you can maybe we have very experience in different we have our work. Now I'll show you each of our machine one the now please follow me. For the no double machine we can get the bottom and the color. Actually it's a attempt of each part or make with the parts to this medical feature the it will stronger your type will occupy the hydraulic color for 5 seconds temporary the color location will already have the pressure now this is the turnover because the medical working type is positive so if the is really very easy to operate before you can if you want to use the color topping and do the repeat so we will use the high okay, if you can efficiency high color. For this side, the loading is found. This is loading or clearance. Yes, this part is what the loading part should or not. Each part you have the loading and the load and also forward. So we can load the load. Now this or okay, the user configure is combined system. This system has the meter. this button is to control the hydraulic pressure on or off, and this button is to lunar metal bag, and this button is to control the car right now. And this is the power. It means the big work. This is the downlight. This is the camera. It means the hydraulic situation. And this button is used to control the air. It is the also this only the automatically. They use the hydraulic that it's all star. It's to control the coil down or back. The motor can hold it. Be all over the car. So something. This is our pump the tester. Okay. I don't think the power and the you will send the after the into metal and this shape it's a down layer between the up down parts and okay, now
Please keep up.
Thank